one of the things that I'm going to ask you to do is create a Bing Places page and also fill it out and optimize it. When I say optimize it, this is what we are referring to, that the name and address and all of this information up here matches what we have for each location, for the given location. For example, here, West Winterfield. All that information we want to make sure that it matches here. That over here, that it has the website and whatever links that we've deemed necessary. I have placed Yelp and the Google Plus link over here. The business categories, that all of these are listed. I will send these in a separate email, so you don't have to write them down now. Also, that the business hours are filled out, and that a description has been written. Another thing that we want to make sure is that the images are also filled out. You can get the client's logo from up here, pressing Save Image As. This image isn't the exact same one because I use a Photoshop to square it off to make it look better, but that's neither here nor there. Make sure you get a logo. Make sure you add as many images of the business. Each one can be taken off the website. Right click, Save Image As, and then you just have an area on your website, on your computer, where you can save them. Next is general information that we would like to have free parking on site, street parking essentially, and limited parking on site. Those three. The major credit cards as well as major cards accepted. And this is the other area, added extra information. You're going to want to copy and paste from this document, which again I am going to be sending you separately. You're going to scroll down to this section number 3 where it says additional area. You're going to copy and paste each one of these attributes, and we're going to do that, some of that on video right now. You're going to want to just keep on clicking add another and add another until we have enough spaces. For Bing, I believe there's a limited amount of spaces, so it's pretty much going to be all of them. Okay, so we're going to start this. We're going to want to copy and paste extended areas, and we're just going to want to do this bit by bit. However you want to do this efficiently is completely up to you, but it needs to be done one way or the other. Okay, I'm going to pause the video now and just finish this up until we get to the next step. Okay, I've added all the proper information for this column. Now we're going to go on to the value column. For the extended service areas, you just need to look at the website and see where they have offices. So I'm going to click these 2 locations, and there are additional locations as well: Little Falls and Ilion. Oops, and we're going to go like that. Next, we're just going to go and start listing all the eye doctors. In this case, there's only one Dr. Knapp. For eye care services, this again, you go back to this document, and you highlight all this. I believe that there's a character limit on Bing. We'll see in 2 seconds. Yes, there's a character. So I'm just going to go in and just delete where it says pink eye, to make sure that we are under that character limit. Okay, now we go to concerns. That was eye care services. So I just did that backwards. So we're just going to copy and paste that to here. And we're going to go over here, and we're going to have a similar issue I believe. So we're just going to choose the first part and paste that in. Same thing with products. I believe there's plenty of there's room for products, and we're going to go to Vision Insurance and just copy and paste everything from Vision Insurance as well. For the last three allocations, we go to the website for that. Here's our optometrist. We just copied and paste that, and now we're going to go to the hours and locations page over here. So there's the now we go to the locate us page and the hour services, eye care services. Yep. Copy that, and okay, now we have everything here. So what we're going to do is we're going to press submit, and we're going to be asked to either do a phone verification or do a postcard verification. Okay, and we're going to click verify later, and then we're going to put this into Chatter. And that was for the West Winterfield. So we go here, we go to Chatter, and you should be seeing this in your Chatter at one point. This is how it looks like from what I do. Ira, I think Ira's eventually going to ask you to do this, but it doesn't make a difference. Ira, and I type the following. And that's it. And we press OK. And that's essentially it. I'm going to go ahead and just update the second location right now. And that's essentially how you do it.